Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with iMovie for faster timeline edits. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with iMovie, start by launching the application on your Mac. Once iMovie is open, click on the Create New button to start a new project. Select Movie from the options presented. Import your video files by clicking on the Import Media button, located in the Media section. Navigate to the folder where your videos are stored, then select the files you want to edit. Click Import Selected to bring your media into iMovie. After importing, your clips will appear in the media library. Drag and drop a video clip onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. To make your edits faster, utilize the keyboard shortcuts for common actions. Press Command+B to split your clips at the playhead position. This allows for easier trimming and rearranging of your footage. Use the I key to set an in point and the O key to set an out point for precise editing. To adjust the duration of a clip, hover over its edges until you see the resize cursor and drag accordingly. For transitions, go to the Transitions tab and drag your desired transition between two clips in the timeline. You can apply effects by clicking on the Effects button and selecting your preferred style. Enhance your audio by clicking on the audio clip and adjusting the levels in the audio inspector. Utilize the Titles feature to add text overlays, choosing from various styles. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Select your preferred export option, such as exporting to a file or sharing directly to social media. Choose your video quality settings, then click Next to finalize your export. Name your video file and select the location to save it. Finally, click Save to complete the export process. Now you are ready to register your edits and create professional-looking videos efficiently with iMovie. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.